Holiday trip in Macau with us. I'm Ice Quaint.
And Didi.
Socks here.
I'm Race.
Hey, food lovers and adventurers, ready to ditch the tourist traps and experience Macau like a local. Join me on a delicious journey through the hidden gems and iconic flavors of this vibrant city. We'll be exploring the best street food, from breakfast to dinner, and uncovering secret parts that only the locals know. First things first, breakfast. We're starting our day with a classic Macanese treat. In Macau, you should try the rice noodle rolls. Different from the common shrimp rice noodle rolls in tea restaurants. Today, we specially recommend trying the common local breakfast in Macau. Mixed sauce rice noodle rolls. The rice noodle sheets are rolled up and cut into sections, served with thick sweet sauce. The sauce usually consists of peanut butter, sesame paste, and sweet soy sauce. According to personal taste, soy sauce and chili sauce can also be added.
彩章
is a must. When you wake up early and stroll around the old town area, you might as well give it a try. Where to eat best Cheung fun in Macau? When in Macau, a must-try is egg rice noodle rolls. I recommend the specialty, scallion egg rice noodle rolls, at Lunke, a place selling rice noodle rolls from breakfast to midnight snacks, freshly steamed upon order. You can customize your own rice noodle rolls. Pour a ladle of freshly ground rice batter onto a damp white cloth. After a thin layer is steamed, pour in beaten eggs. Then sprinkle with chopped scallions. Finally, remove the rice noodle sheet from the cloth. Roll it into plump rice noodle rolls. Then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Golden scallion egg rice noodle roll is now ready to be savored.
What to eat for lunch in Macau?
In Macau, a missable delicacy is await. Roast meats. Roast meat stand as one of Macau's classics. You'll find roast meat shops. At every turn, a vast array of choices, from char siu, roast goose, roast duck, to suckling pig, char siu, the crowd's favorite. Crafted from finely marbled pork, marinated and roasted to perfection. Roast duck, crispy skin, tender meat with a fragrant aroma. Roast goose, a must-try in Macau's roast meat scene, rich yet light. Suckling pig, a standard among Macau's roast meats. Ingredients of the highest quality, prepared following tradition. When in Macau, be sure to savor this classic delight. Where to find best siu made in Macau? In Macau, a culinary landmark you can't miss. Fancake roasted delights. Fancake roasted delights only operates on weekdays, and they sold out within just 2 hours of opening. To savor their signature roasted delights requires a bit of luck and patience. Macau's Cantonese-style roasted meats are renowned, and fancake stands out among them. Though operating only on weekdays, there are queues early in the morning. Fancake is famed for its quality ingredients and generous portions. It's not only favored by locals, but also attracts numerous tourists. Despite its limited hours, this adds to its mystique, making it a unique culinary experience in Macau.
There is a new bag. You have many choices. Famous train in Macau. From the different accessories. She created was special salty beef, showcasing excellent texture and crispy toast. That is the sandwich Flora community. 2024 a container from the sandwich. Simple yet delicious to share. 这里什么以前的插口是我入手咖啡的 K50， 就是说咖啡错了。按照实力说门口，这个热啡谁也漏了的。CK 咖啡，他妈到时候忘记说了。在他可以什么他出豆喝什么的。这些 QQ 变成了有插口的时候，就别人那种的咖啡有对了的。就来图传闻是谁为这些上黑水的 take away 才之后我帮你又来了这个可能都还能来comment到这里咖啡因这是个手工的别分这个生活一直非常饮食口传说别人能变粉我一直说是帮去我头死一次有人问说该淘宝欢迎门口有没这群那些也我的才不是门门口那个谁没本事一次给我人的些唯一说是可以了 What the just for reference to do you how? 飞大约可是金摩口。第三一天，相我一起子，来自台拖延这个开始分手，我一起子人可以马可人。刚才看了3.3段有在为平复是破棚的。这晚 every bite。来为什么里吹我们这才有必要快用音 for more?
Craving a unique and flavorful dinner, try an authentic hot pot. Authentic Macanese braised lamb casserole. Braised lamb casserole is a nourishing soup dish. Lamb meat is warm, nourishing, and dispels cold. Thus, it's the most suitable to consume in winter. After long hours of simmering, the essence of lamb seeps into the broth. Combined with various spices, it emanates an enticing aroma, truly savory. The lamb becomes tender and succulent, melting your mouth, suitable for all ages. Slaw, cooked, over charcoal, infusing the casserole with a subtle charcoal aroma, enhancing its flavor. Don't forget to dip it in the special fermented bean curd sauce. Savored when you visit Macau in winter.
Now, here's a little secret. Forget the crowded main streets. We're taking a hidden path that winds its way up to the ruins of St. Paul's. This charming alleyway, known only to locals, will lead us past colorful houses and quaint shops, offering a glimpse into the authentic side of Macau. Alright, explorers, let's ditch the crowds and uncover a hidden gem in Macau. Open up your Google Maps and search for Ruined Doors of Venerios, also known as 关节后街. This is where a secret adventure begins. As you wander along this charming street, keep an eye out for Kolkata to Amparo 大关斜上. This narrow, winding path is our secret passageway that leads straight to the base of the ruins of St. Paul's, bypassing the usual tourist throngs. And here's a bonus. Along the way, you'll stumble upon the enchanting Travessa da Pizza, better known as Lover's Lane. This picturesque alleyway, with its pastel-colored houses and romantic ambience, is a must-see for any visitor to Macau. Ditch the crowds, follow our secret path, and savor the real Macau. We're talking hidden alleys, epic street food, and good vibe all around. Get ready for an adventure you won't forget. Subscribe to discover more street food around the world. And leave a comment down below to let me know you like me. Haha, joke. Let me know what other foods or location you'd like to see featured.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Whipping up the babies, got the pot.
May.